Today's my birthday and I got myself a very special treat. So let's open it right now. Oh my gosh. I commissioned a second fursuit. This one is a plantigrade boof fursuit. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This suit was made by Peachy Puppy. Let's try it on. Okay, I might need to brush him. So I went with a different color for his stripes. Oh my gosh. Holy crap. Planty boof. Oh my god. Oh. This is gonna be so much easier to travel with. Wait, it actually looks so good. Guys, what do you think? Planty boof.
I am so obsessed with this suit. Thank you so much to Peachy Puppy. Double tap the screen right now to give me a hug. I'll see you guys next time.